The garage can be a sanctuary if everything is neatly stored. Whether you use your garage as an auto workshop, a gym, or even just as storage space, you want to make sure that your odds and ends are in place and easily accessible. If they're not, then your garage is more likely to be a headache than a productive calm space. There are many products available to choose: cheap metal shelf adjustable, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap metal shelf adjustable from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt Industrial Storage Rack. The best overall garage shelving needs to be sturdy, strong, and reliable, while also offering enough space to hold whatever customers might need. The DeWalt Industrial Storage Rack delivers on all counts, with 3 large adjustable shelves and a powder-coated steel construction that allows for up to 1,500 pounds to sit on each shelf. The rack is available in different sizes, shelf numbers, and colors, and with different shelving options, including wire shelves and, for a little less, composite shelves. There's also an option that includes a workstation for $500. Multiple units, even those of different types, can be joined together using the included fasteners. The DeWalt Industrial Storage Rack currently has 4.8 stars out of 5 on Amazon, based on over 800 customer ratings. Satisfied customers cite the durability of the product and the storage space allowed as positives. Number 2. Gracious Living 5-Shelf Knect-A-Shelf. Just because your budget for garage shelving is on the lower side, it doesn't mean that you want to sacrifice quality. You still want something that looks good in your garage and can hold several pounds without problems. Gracious Living's 5-Shelf Knect-A-Shelf Ventilated Heavy-Duty Storage Unit is the winner in this category, a super lightweight, 22.8 pounds apiece, resin model that still offers 150 pounds of storage capacity on each of its 5 shelves. The units can also be connected to one another, forming larger shelving systems. This shelf is offered a number of different sizes as well. Gracious Living's storage rack currently has 4.5 stars out of 5 on Amazon, based on over 400 customer ratings. Satisfied users tout the sturdiness of the model, as well as the ease of assembly. Number 3. FLEXIMOUNTS 2-Pack. The garage shelving unit doesn't need to be freestanding to be one of the best. Case in point. The FLEXIMOUNTS Wall Shelf Garage Storage Rack, which needs to be properly secured to a wall in your garage, and can then provide years of storage service. FLEXIMOUNTS has designed the rack to be as sturdy as possible, with steel brackets that boast Velcro buckles to prevent any movement. The rack is available in a range of different sizes, and at an additional cost, users can include hooks that enable under-rack hanging, like on bicycles, for instance. FLEXIMOUNTS Wall Shelf Garage Storage Rack is currently Amazon's best seller in the garage storage system shelves category. Over 3,500 people have rated it, giving it 4.7 stars out of 5. Number 4. SafeRacks Garage Shelving. When you need to store large items, you'll need a lot of space, not just in terms of shelf surface area, but in terms of room between shelves. SafeRacks Garage Shelving delivers in both areas. The largest model is 96 inches wide, and the 84-inch height allows for customizable placement of shelves. SafeRacks Garage Shelving may be more expensive than other models on the list, but the sheer size that it offers makes it worth every penny. It's also able to support a ton of weight, literally, as each of the 4 shelves has a 500-pound weight capacity. The SafeRacks shelving unit is available in widths of 48 inches, 72 inches, and 96 inches. It currently has 4.5 stars out of 5 on Amazon, with over 300 customer ratings. Number 5. Seville Classics Ultradurable Commercial. Putting a garage shelving unit on wheels greatly reduces the maximum amount of weight it can hold, but it also offers a user considerable advantage that wouldn't otherwise be possible, such as the ability to update a garage layout with relative ease. The Seville Classics Ultradurable Steel Wire Shelving with Wheels is our choice for the best system on wheels. Available in a variety of sizes, the Ultradurable shelving system is made of steel wire and has chrome plating for maximum durability. When set up with wheels, the weight capacity is 100 pounds per shelf and 500 pounds overall. With the included feet, the capacity jumps to 800 pounds per shelf and 4,000 pounds overall. Seville Classics Ultradurable Shelving System currently has 4.7 stars out of 5 on Amazon, with more than 4,600 customer ratings. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.